Okay, so today I'm going to do a review of the Randy Orton 3D printed picture t-shirts from Shopee, May 2021. Okay, so it's a 3D printed. Okay, so it's ordered from Shopee. Okay, so I'm going to use two different phones to record. Wait, just a thing first to make sure. Okay, I should off the SIM card, the thing, because I don't want to record halfway then people call me. Okay, then the thing got cut off. Okay, so now I can record two different phone. Okay, so today I'm going to do a review of Randy Orton 3D printed picture t-shirts from Shopee, May 2021. Okay, so this from Shopee. So what do you mean by 3D printed? Okay, I can show you right now. Okay, so you can see now there's two t-shirt, man, two t-shirt. Okay, two t-shirt. Okay, so two t-shirt. Two different design. Okay, so you can see here is a total two t-shirt, two Randy Orton t-shirt. My one is also a Randy Orton t-shirt, okay, but mine is from WW Shop. Okay, but these two they are ordered from Shopee. Yes, that's right. Okay, so I will take out the t-shirt. I can see here. Wow. Okay, look at this, man. This is awesome. Wow. Actually, this is SL size, man. Oh, this is SL size. Look at this, man. Wow. Randy Orton. Okay, so it's 3D printed picture t-shirts. This is Randy Orton. Oh my god. Okay, I think it looks really, really awesome. Look at this, man. Okay, it looks so awesome. Wow. Look at this. This is really, really awesome, man. Look at this, man. Wow. So nice. Okay. So this Randy Orton picture behind also got picture. Okay, sometimes some picture behind is nothing, but this one behind also got picture. So it's WW 2K16. Oh, okay, it looks nice, man. Okay, so I can use my phone to take the picture. So many things here. I forgot. Yeah, that one. Okay, wow. So look at this, man. This is the Randy Orton picture t-shirt. Okay, you can see the sun fire flame. Okay, behind his body. Wow, look at this, man. Wow. The Apex Predator, the Viper, Randy Orton. Okay. So wow, this is really, really awesome. Look at this, man. So nice. Wow, wow, wow. So what do you think of this t-shirt, man? Okay, it's ordered from Shopee, and the shipping fee is very, very, very cheap. Okay, shipping fee is only $1. Okay, so you can order from Shopee. Which I thought, wow, it's very, very nice, man. Okay. Wow. Okay. So you order from Shopee, the T-shirt is very very cheap compared to WW shop, and all this design WW shop it doesn't really sells. Okay, they doesn't sell this type of design. So yeah, Shopee is one choice. You know, you can order a lot of different nice uh good design western T-shirt. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna show you another T-shirt. Okay, so this is the Randy Orton picture T-shirt. It's really looks very awesome. It looks very nice, and I'm gonna show you this another Randy Orton T-shirt. Okay, so okay, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. So this is another Randy Orton T-shirt. Okay, 3D printed. Carrying the championship belt. But then the championship belt seems like not so clear. Okay, it's not so clear. Okay, even the world heavyweight, the gold is not so clear. Okay, so this is another Randy Orton T-shirt, which I think I would actually prefer the first one, bit more nicer. Okay, this one also nice, but the championship belt, not so shiny. Okay, so you can see here, Randy Orton. And behind. Okay, so this is the Randy Orton T-shirt. Oh, it's made in China. Made in China, but ordered from Shopee. Okay, so this is another Randy Orton T-shirt. Okay, so this is another Randy Orton picture T-shirt. Okay, it looks very nice, right? Okay, wow, look at this, man, it's awesome. And let me just turn behind. Okay, so wow, very nice. Okay, so what do you think of the design, man? So Randy Orton is one of my most favorite wrestler, man. Okay, so wow, carrying 2 championship belt, man. Okay, I'm gonna finish the video. Okay. Oh my god. Ah. Can make little. Yeah. Okay. Ayo, shit. What the fuck, yeah? Hey. Done. Okay, so have we finished doing this review of the 2 Randy Orton t-shirt, man? So which t-shirt do you think looks the best? Okay, so leave your comments, below this video, or what do you think? Remember to click that on my video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just right, bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to click that on my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what do you think of these 2 t-shirt? Which t-shirt do you think looks the best? Okay, click that on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Yeah.